one.
A bigger what?
I have a pink one. You have bigger one, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. There's also heart Monday pa. Oh. Yeah, I can collect that. Yeah. What are you trying to say to Mama again? Yeah.
Francine, sag das nochmal.
Say again.
Aber sie braucht Hilfe, wenn ich so sage.
Happy birthday.
Happy yes, but not birthday.
It's Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Say it again.
Happy.
Birthday.
Nah, again. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, God. Francis. Yeah, that's Adrian. Yeah, say hi. Say hi. Yeah, hi. Really?
How offensive.
Let Adrian talk. Yeah, say hi. Let Adrian talk.
Adrian, rede weiter. Sag irgendwas nochmal.
Okay.
Sag
Yeah.
nochmal irgendwas.
The face, ne?
Okay, er geht wieder weg. So. Er geht wieder weg.
Was? Bruder.
Yeah, he wants to tell you that there's something there. Yeah.
Oh, Francine. Komm mit mir, Francine.
It's okay. What's that there?
Sag noch was. Er guckt nur so. Tschüss. Tschüss.
He's trying to tell you, pa.
Ich wette, Arno, wenn du wieder zum Zahnarzt gehst und dann zum Beispiel zu uns kommst, Kurt oder sowas, kommt Franzis direkt zu dir.
No, Francis has no playmate. Hello, guys! OMG! Ang tagal ko nang hindi nagdadala. May dala pa akong para ka, Francis. Yeah. Nagawa din ako para ka, Francis. Happy Mother's Day! Today is Sunday and Mother's Day today. And hindi ko alam kung kailan to mai-edit. Sana ma-edit ko to agad. Punta kami ng lalabas kami kasi pipiknik, kunuhay kami guys sa Mother's Day. And then, isasama ko kayo. Gumagawa ako ng sandwich for the kids. What do you want for baby?
Halbe Schwein auf Toast.
What?
Half a pig on toast.
This is for Francis and do?
Yeah, pork. Half a pork on toast.
There's no pork. Kuya,
I'm gonna
umaliklik.
die.
The meat. The kids were using for school. Is that fine for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. Luya. Luyang mayor. Wait, kuan? No budget for mayor.
You know what? On the way back, we go into the city and then we go to Pizza Hut.
So, mahabang lakaran to siya guys kasi punta kami dun sa parang may river nila ba? River? Is that river? Is that river?
It's
Lake?
a river, yeah.
Lake, no?
No, it's a river.
River, oh. Tapos gusto ko yung view dun. Nakapunta ko dun pero buntis pa ako ni Francine ata. Tapos,
River Rhine.
yeah, ito yung dala ko sa dala ko ng sandwich, boiled egg, gorky is cucumber. Ni-slice ko na namin siya. Tapos meron tayong, wait, pakita ko sa inyo pag matapos ko, ha? But I think I'll be,
What is the... Okay.
mag-mobile lang ako dun, guys. Kasi pag nasa labas yung camera, iba yung settings niya. ba yung settings ng, iwan ko ba? Ba yung nangyayari sa mobile? So, ayan, ating sandwich. Baon kasi wala kasing mga open na store. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong biscuits, may gorke, water ni Francis, egg, boiled egg yan. Snacks ni na Francis, sandwich. Sandwich ko, ito yung sandwich na may chia seed, kaya sineparate ko. Ayan, tapos meron tayong chocolates, candies. Ayan, para sa mga kids doon. Wait, agoy, hindi na ako nagsira. Wait lang, be. Sira, sana to, be. Francene is here. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
To everybody.
Everybody.
Sabi niya ganyan, happy birthday. So we go? Let's go. Papa está. Yeah. The ball. Go, Francene, go walk. Francis. Yeah. Go. Inita kayo. Wow. So red. Huh? You should have biscuit instead of having the gorke because you're gonna kakadu. He don't want it to swallow yet. He wants to enjoy. Uy. Looy, pud ni sila. Oy, may dagat gud. She get panic eh. She's afraid eh.
No, this
Kukuk. Francis naman eh. Wow, Francis ni. Wow, look at that. Bansay na kayo maglakaw-lakaw among bata. Wow. Wow. Oh, lakaw-lakaw man. Oh, ang galing na maglakad nitong kordapyo. Oh, see? Si Francene is here. What are you doing?
I'm making a pink cup to my mama.
Oh, she's coloring the guys activity kasi hindi siya pinapunta ng kindergarten kasi may sipona naman si Francene. Yeah. Pinakolor ko siya dyan. Yan, see? Color. What is that, Peppa Pig?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you didn't go to kindergarten today?
Because I'm so tired today.
You're so tired today. Tapos ang isa, usig pang ngawhat. Fruits. Cats can't dispute the positive attribute.
But then,
Fruits. You guys can't dispute the positive attribute.
birthday fruits.
And Francis is done.
My friends.
Yeah. Kids of Doctor away. Nanood ng Babda Train sila.
And the doctor will.
Ito pala yung flowers na natanggap ko nung Mother's Day, guys. Hindi ko ata ito napakita. Oh, I like this one.
I have a heart.
Yeah, she wants to have the heart pink. Ang ganda. Pretty. I'm pretty. Hindi ko ito napakita nung Mother's Day. Ito yung natanggap ko kang Frank. Ang ganda lang. Ang gandang-ganda ako dito. Oh, kasi mayroong ano. So, iwanan ko muna, yan sila. Pa-color, yan si Francis, at dyan o nagkape-kape. Pero wala man yung, yung pencil niya. Okay. Come on here. Luod man. Come here. Come here, mama. Come here. Lay down here. Lay down here. Here, Mama, oh. What do you want, Dede? You hungry? Oh, why? You want Dede? Dede? Come here, Mama. Where's Papa? Where's Papa? We put tuff in the nose. Okay? Come on, guys. Good morning. My God. May lagnat si Francis, guys. Uy, tapos ako na umurad yung ko. Pero okay lang yan. That is Filipina beauty. Filipina beauty. So, today, guys, nag-vlog ako kasi special day today sa dito sa Germany. Today is Father's Day sa Germany. I believe sa international is June, di ba? Pero dito, today, sa Germany, 4 years na ako dito sa Germany. 4 years na ako dito sa Germany. 18. Magpo 4 years na ako dito sa Germany. Pero, every Father's Day talaga, hindi ko siya alam kasi ang nasa isip ko talaga is June. Pero this year, this time na Father's Day, gumawa ako ng very simple na ano ba yan? Palipay sa akong bana sa ni Frank. So, I made this the other day, that one. Wala kasi akong I think the other day ko lang din nalaman na Father's Day. Tapos, kasi nga, lockdown dito, close yung mga shops, close yung lahat. At hindi na pwede ako makapag-order online kasi too late na. And so, I made this one. Gusto ko siyang i-frame, pero wala akong frame kasi nga, lockdown, close yung mga shops. So, ayun. Gumawa ako nito, ganyan. Ipi-frame ko siya, ipi-frame namin siya siguro pag, you know, pag open na ang at least IKEA kasi madami silang frames doon. So, ayan. Simple surprise para sa kanya. Tapos, nung lalagay ako dito, nag-start na ako na magsulat. Pasensya nyo ng mukha ko, guys. Wala pa talaga akong ilamos. Wala pa talaga akong huwag nyo nang i-mind. Always naman akong ganyan, kaburching, no? So, naglagay ako dito ng note. Tapos, sa mga space, leave ko yung middle para malagay niya yung hands niya later. Itong hands ko, hands ni Francis, kung Francine, kang Ella, kang sa stepdaughter ko, si Vanessa. And then later, I let him decide kung gusto niya ilagay yung hand niya dyan para ma-frame niya ito. And I wrote here, Father's Day 2021. And the date. And so, ayan. Simple. Hindi ko siya natapos sulat-sulatan ng mga note, ng mga, mga messages, small messages. So, just as cute a simple idea. Ayan, diba? Naguan namin yan. Wala kasi akong maibili. Wala akong pambili ng sisirado din naman. Ayan, it's cute. Tapos, one day, pe-frame namin to. So, ayun. Balikan ko kayo, guys, pag natapos ko na siya. Okay? So, ayan guys, tapos na siya. Ayan. So, now, ilagay ko to siya, sa office ni Frank. Ilagay ko dun. Tapos, yun, ito na. Ilagay ko kadyot ng buhok ko. Ay, kasi parang haggard na tayo always sa camera. So, ayan na guys, nandiyan na. Naglagay lang ako ng mga some messages dyan. Ayan. Tapos, I think, i-roll ko to. Hindi. Kasi, ipi-frame namin to eh. Hindi nga lang ako nakabili ng frame. Kasi, kailangan to ng malaking frame. And then, yun nga, lockdown. Paulit-ulit tayo. Walang mga open na shops dito. Hindi tayo makakabili ng mga decor, guys. Ang open lang is grocery stores. And, yun lang ang open. At kung pupunta ka naman ng parlor, mga ganyan, mga salon, kailangan mo ng kailangan mo ng termin at kailangan mong may test ka na negative ka sa COVID. Ayun. So, ayun. See you later, guys. Max do ko, no?
Hi. Hello.
Tapos na kaming kumain ng lunch. So, Ang girls ang naglimpyo sa kitchen. Ha. Good job. Tabangay silang duha. Lagay, pero hindi na sila manghugas ng plato kasi may dishwasher na. Super good. Ayan. Si Francine ay natulog. Uy! Uy! Si Francine ay natulog. Ngit-ngit lagi mo. Ano ni? Murag wakwas, Francine. Ledong bitarong na tumbok niyo. Natulog si Francine. Ay, ginukaw itong bilbil. Did you talk to him?
No.
Why?
Gonna keep observing him.
Today is Father's Day. I already started early. Happy Father's Day to Mr. Forwork in the house. Mayor in the house. Are you happy what we give to you?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
It's a good idea. You're so tall.
Cut off my head here.
Yeah, because you have to, okay, move backwards. And Francis, guys, so is big boy na, guys, oh. Look at that. How big is he now? Yeah? Sedi, ang munting prinsipe. The hair.
And he's not feeling well.
Yeah, I told him that Francis has a fever. Look at the hair, guys. Oh, parang si CD ba? You know CD mo. Oh, did pabutang. Don't know? Hi, don't hi. Hi. Is this? Balag nagkaburitsing ang mama, eh. It's okay, nagkaburitsing ang mama. Balag nagkaburitsing ang mama, basta busog dong, no? Busog ang mga baktin. Ilantan man, eh. Oh, big boy na kayo. Bugat kayo, guys. Puri buyag. Puri buyag. Puri buyag. Hapit na siya mula pa sa kuwan. Natulog si Francine, nagnap, hindi pa nagising. Kakain na sana yun, to nakatulog. Dirap. Dirap. Guys, konti lang ating mga vlog lately kaya para hindi tayong hirapan mag-edit na. Dong, no? Say hi, dong, be. Hi! Sedi, ang munting prisipe. Buritsing man tao, eh.